puppies? Guinness was wagging his tail. We're ready to play. Just about.
Oh, no.
Oh dear. We're going to be in trouble. We are going to be in trouble. Not as much trouble as if we had a dozen.
I'm glad we only have 6. Oh, you like that?
Yeah, her mommy does. You like Nugget Scritches.
Nugget Scritches in the mummy. Nugget Scritches in the mummy.
Burp. That's Flip. Yeah. She had 4 of them out of the nest.
Oh, goodness.
They saw her and they go, okay, we're hungry. Who was that?
That was me. Babe, revving her engine.
Guinness revs his too. He's just so huge compared to everybody else. It's like he's adopted or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like nobody believed us. He came out of her, except we got video of him coming out of her. Aw, paddle time! Get over there, Guinness truck! Get over there! Let's get down to puppy level. Let's get down to puppy level. See all the sweet little puppy faces. Hey, Pin. Where do you think you're going? Aww. They're the sisters kissing each other. Look at you biting your sister. Look at that. You're just beating up on your sister, huh? Are we starting to play? We're starting to play. Oh my gosh. We can't even walk yet, but we're going to play with each other. Hey, Barney girl. Hey, Tater. In the guys, you gotta stay in the nest. We gotta stay in the nest. I know that will quickly turn into just a suggestion. We are 2 weeks and 1 day old today. We think we have somewhere to go. And we think we have something to do. Grr. Grr. In the nest. Oh, you want me? This is what it is. You want me? Or you want your mommy? Say hi, Gitch. Say here's the puppies. What you crying about, Dublin? Right, Blarney. And the big old Guinness truck. Say, who's our daddy? Where does big old Guinness come from? Because the rest of us all look like collies, kind of like Mommy. See, there's Mommy. And all her little babies. Say, we want our Mommy. Now watch us all climb out of the nest to follow Mommy. Not to say we're SMRT or anything. But how long does it take us to figure that if we climb out of this nest, we can get to our Mommy? It's Blarney's kissy spot. Huh. Say hi, Mommy. Mommy's having her lunch so she can give the puppies their lunch. We've even had discussions with Mommy about what in the nest means. Tater! Mommy's behind you! Tater Buff, look at you getting your muzzle. There's Mommy. Wrong way, Tater. Shitty's on the wrong side of Mommy. It's usually Tater. Go on, sweetie. Go get your Mommy. Go get your lunch and get your Mommy.